Real quick video for replacing these grids. The company that I got the grids from is DIY Door Store. A decent company and a good price for the quality. You can buy real junk of these on Amazon, but then you'll just be doing the job again in a year. At least these are of higher quality. That's why that one's still in one piece. That's actually slightly different. But anyway, here's where we're looking. I'm doing two of these today. This one. So this one's already done. This whole grid was replaced. The old grid's back there. And I'm in the process of doing this one. So just some tips, because I couldn't find a lot of videos that gave tips. So if you're going to do this job, take off the door. Don't try and do it with the door on the frame. It's just much easier to do it when the door's separate. So my routine was I took this door off, I put it on sawhorses. Yeah, get 3. 2 go under the glass, and the third one is holding the balance of the door. That way when you unscrew this frame, so this is the inside frame. Inside has the holes, the screws. When you unscrew it, in theory, if you don't have it supported, the rest of it will just fall right out of the door. It's supposed to be caulked and all that, but I found it just was loose. So if your grid looks like crap, like this, broken, people taped it apparently over time, take the door off, take the old one out, so you can put it on sawhorses so the glass is supported. You take the screws out. There's a whole bunch of screws on the inner grate. You take them out. This one was broken. And the inner side comes right out. The other side might have a little bit of caulk on it. It comes out. It holds the glass. You take the glass out of the old grate and do a really good job cleaning it. It's going to have all caulking along here. You're going to scrape all that off. Use a razor. That's what I used. And be smart. Caulking is sticky. Spray a little bit of oil, WD-40, something on it. It makes the razor slide nicer on it and get it off. Going to get it all off. You're going to clean it with a good glass cleaner. Dry it off. And then you're going to go around with alcohol and a paper towel one last time around. Then you're going to get out the grid. And here's where less is the new more. This came from the same company that I got the grid from. So they throw it right in the box. It was, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. It's worth it because it's decent stuff. And it comes with this nozzle. So you cut it off down here, and then the nozzle default is cut just enough to fit in this groove. So you literally ride along the groove, and you're gonna caulk in 2 places. First, you're gonna caulk this inner groove, and then you're going to place the glass on top of it. And all you're doing to caulk is you're putting the little nose of the caulk gun in and just riding along. Don't linger. If you linger in a spot, like when I went around the turn here, you get a little blob. That's gonna show up on the other side. It's gonna squeeze out. So less is the more. Just a little bead along the whole thing, and you just follow that groove. As long as you keep the nose, the little tip of the caulk gun in there, it fits right in there and just cruises along. You don't got to worry about wiggling or nothing like that. Get the inner groove in, put the glass on top, then you're going to do the outer groove, and you're going to put it back on the door. After you put the glass in, I would wait 10, 15, 20 minutes if you can. My routine, at least on these two for this job, is I do the glass work. I put the glass into the frame. So I caulk this, put the glass in, and then I go work on the door. Painting, sanding, all the stuff that you'd want to do to a door that's much easier to do without the stupid grid in there. Then after the door's been all prepped nice, that's when I come back, caulk here. I take the door off the sawhorses. I put the glass and bottom frame on the sawhorses, and then me and a second person gently set the door down on it. You'll put the other half of the grid. They come as a set. Glass is sandwiched between them. This is the other half of the grid. These pins help you align it. So there's like pins and then there's holes. And the pins and holes help you align the 2 pieces of the grid. And then once they're together, it comes with a bunch of screws. Don't go insane screwing them down. You're just screwing it to plastic, so don't go nuts. And it comes with the caps that you eventually put to hide the screws on the inside. That's the whole job. It's a decent job. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and it just looks so much better when it's done. And again, the company I used, DIY door stuff. I bought a 2-pack from them because I had 2 doors to do, and I bought the caulk from them as well. And I'd advise getting the caulk from them. Just saves you a step. Hunting down a similar caulk at Home Depot is annoying. There are a couple of things there that work, but they're similar priced anyway. That's it.